Welcome to today's video where we will show you how to transform your kitchen into a charming white rustic space. We'll be using a variety of components to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Let's get started. First, let's begin with the foundation of our kitchen design, the shaker-style cabinets. These elegant and timeless cabinets will set the stage for our rustic theme. Next, we'll install a beautiful farmhouse sink. Its large, apron front design adds a touch of vintage charm and provides practicality for your everyday tasks. To add visual interest and display your favorite kitchenware, we'll incorporate open shelving. This will allow you to showcase white dishes, glassware, and rustic accessories. Now, let's turn our attention to the countertops. Butcher block countertops made from natural wood will introduce warmth and texture to our white rustic kitchen. For the backsplash, we'll use classic white subway tiles. Their clean and simple design will complement the rustic aesthetic while adding a timeless appeal. To create a cozy and inviting ambience, we'll install rustic pendant lighting. These weathered or distressed fixtures will provide soft and warm illumination throughout the space. To enhance the rustic charm, we'll expose the ceiling beams. These wooden beams will add architectural interest and give our kitchen a sense of history and character. Now, let's bring in some vintage-inspired appliances. These retro-designed appliances will contribute to the overall rustic vibe while providing modern functionality. To complete the rustic look, we'll install reclaimed wood flooring. Its weathered and distressed appearance will add a rustic touch to the overall design. For a rustic storage solution, we'll incorporate mason jars. They are not only practical but also add a touch of farmhouse charm to your kitchen. To create a focal point, let's introduce an antique kitchen island. This unique piece will add character and functionality to the space. Displaying and using cast iron cookware will further enhance the rustic feel of our kitchen. Its durable and timeless design will perfectly complement the overall aesthetic. For seating options, we'll choose natural woven materials like wicker or rattan. These will provide a relaxed and rustic seating arrangement in your kitchen. To maximize storage and add a decorative element, we'll install a pot rack. This hanging feature will showcase your copper or cast iron cookware while adding a rustic touch. For a statement piece, let's install a distressed wood range hood. This unique hood, made from aged or reclaimed wood, will become a focal point and contribute to the rustic ambience. Finally, let's create a cozy dining area with a rustic farmhouse table. Its distressed finishes and wooden construction will perfectly complement the overall design. For the finishing touches, we'll install a vintage-inspired faucet. Its antique design will add a final touch of elegance to our white rustic kitchen. And to complete the lighting scheme, we'll hang mason jar pendant lights. These whimsical fixtures will add a rustic and charming element to the overall aesthetic. Lastly, let's not forget about the windows. Adding rustic window treatments like burlap or linen curtains will tie the whole look together and provide privacy. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated white rustic kitchen using these components. With a mix of vintage-inspired elements, natural textures, and rustic charm, you can create a space that feels both welcoming and timeless. We hope you've enjoyed this transformation. Happy decorating!